What if your agency's lifeblood revolves around a powerful orange logo? Intriguing, right? At Spitfire Inbound, founded in 2016 in Johannesburg, vibrant orange embodies their devotion to HubSpot's magic. Although they celebrate HubSpot, Spitfire Inbound's heart beats for teamwork.com, their quintessential tool for managing projects. Currently, they handle nearly 200 projects using teamwork.com, all while keeping their workflow efficient and organized. Alison and Mel stress that every task stems from teamwork.com. For them, it's simple: if it's not logged, it doesn't exist. Their rigorous onboarding process teaches new team members just how intuitive teamwork.com really is, ensuring smooth transitions. The synergy between HubSpot and teamwork.com is an agency dream, streamlining client management and improving project tracking. With time tracking integrated, everyone easily logs both billable and non-billable hours, ensuring nothing slips between the cracks. Mel loves the project health reports and risk registers, but task list templates truly elevate their efficiency to new heights. Ultimately, teamwork.com gives Spitfire Inbound a seamless experience, making every day run smoother and more organized.